morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the next episode of the Lebanese cooking channel. And today we are going to do something special. It's something I have invented myself. It's a take on the classic dish Mujadara, which is rice and lentils. I've removed the lentils and I'm throwing in some lamb. And yeah, it's going to be quick and easy to make. 10 minutes to prep the ingredients. Maria is going to cook and I'm going to teach her how to make MuJonDaro, which is what I've termed the new meal. MuJonDaro, yeah, my name Jon and Mujadara. So this is MuJonDaro, Lebanese meal, prepped, cooked, ready in 45 minutes. And then lastly, with a spray of olive oil, get the pan nice and hot. We're going to use the lamb fat now to help get this dish nice and tasty. So we've got the cameraman in the shop today. How nice is this? So we're rendering the fat and the onions down into a nice creamy mixture. A lot of people would add the garlic now, but it's better adding the garlic when you add the meat. You end up with a more garlic flavor in your whole meal, which is of course proper Lebanese. Maria's taking some of the big pieces of fat out so they're not left in when it's cooking. And I can tell you what, take a little bit of the spice, and these are tasty little snacks. Oh my goodness, while you're cooking. Ready to rock and roll. Now we're going to brown the meat. So the lamb goes in next. You can actually put the garlic in now with the lamb as well. So once the lamb's in there and starting to brown, you can chuck the garlic in. And no reason why you can't just follow now with the spices. I'm going to chop this chili up a little bit. Bay leaves, the chopped chili. Throw on the cabbage on top, which you could have chopped up baby marrows, yellow cabbage, any savory vegetable. Lid on, and this should be ready in 25 minutes once the rice is cooked and all the water's gone. Wow, look at that, 30 minutes later. Oh my goodness, look at that. Squeeze a bit of lemon. And garnish. Ooh la la. Thank you, Maria, for your help today. And now we have officially learned how to make MuJonDaro.